So here we're going to review how to put the toilet mounted raised toilet seat on. So that's what we have here. What I'm going to do, what I've done is already loosened the toilet seat, because this toilet riser actually goes under the existing seat and lid. So we've taken that off already. We're going to put this on the toilet bowl right here. You kind of line up where the screw holes are. This came with its own hardware. Then you place your existing toilet seat and lid back over the top. So we're going to take a look right down through here to line it up. This has its own hardware. Now I had to make a little bit of an adjustment here on the inside. I'm using a washer as a spacer. But that just happens to be because my original spacer is a little bit too small for these bolts to go through. So I'm doing that to adjust just a little bit for a spacer. These are going to drop right down in there. And then we've got the wing nuts that will tighten this onto the seat. Okay. Now when you use these, again, you're going to have to take a look at the height. This particular one is 3.5 inches tall. So that's going to raise your seat up. You're going to have to take a look at the height of your existing toilet, as well as how much rise you think you need versus your height and getting off of the toilet comfortably. All right, so now you have your regular toilet seat on here. When you go to sit down, of course, on any of these, we don't recommend that you're putting all of your weight on one side. You've got to even your weight out. So that is an example of the toilet mounted toilet riser. So it actually goes under your existing seat. So to check out further comments and details about this product, check the comment section below.